Let's look at solving linear equations, or in other words, equations where you only have a letter like x to work with and not x squared. I'll show you two popular methods to do this, and you can decide which one you prefer. Example 1, solve x plus 6 equals 18. Now first I'm going to show you method A, which is to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other in order to keep the equation balanced. To get rid of something on one side, you have to do the opposite or reverse operation. So in this case, if I want to get rid of the plus 6, I have to subtract 6 on both sides of the equation. That will get rid of the plus 6 or eliminate it because 6 take away 6 is 0. So that's gone. It's not there anymore. That leaves just x on the left-hand side and then 12 on the right-hand side, and that's the answer. Now, method B on the right is to move things around in order to solve the equation. And when you're moving things around, if you cross over the equal symbol, then you have to do the opposite or reverse operation. So in this case, if I wanted to move the plus 6 to the other side of the equation, I cross over the equal symbol, which means it's now the opposite, so it's minus 6. And again, that just leaves me x on the left and then 18 take away 6 on the right, so 12. Same answer, two different methods. Example 2, solve 8 brackets m minus 5 equals 48. Before we do anything else, I would probably expand the brackets there. So I'll do that for both sides. And now I'll solve using method A. So in order to get rid of the minus 40, I want to add 40 on both sides. That will get rid of that, becomes 0. I'm left with 8m on this side and 88 on this side. Now I want to get rid of the 8 in front of the m. And remember, 8m in algebra means they're actually multiplied together, 8 times m. So to get rid of it, I have to do the opposite, which would be to divide by 8. And therefore I get m, which is what I want, and then 11 here. Let's do method B now. I can move the minus 40 onto the other side and it becomes plus 40. So I get 8m equals 88. And then I can move this 8 over to the other side and it becomes divide by 8. So again, I get m equals 11. Example 3, let's do method A first. This one, we've got 2x on one side and 6x on the other side. So when x appears on both sides of the equation, you need to deal with that and make sure that they're all on one side. In this case, I'm actually going to subtract the 2x from both sides, but you could subtract the 6x, that's fine. Whichever way you eliminate things in this method, you will end up with the same final answer. So that cancels out or goes away, and we've got 20 equals 4x minus 12. I would then personally eliminate the minus 12 by adding 12 to both sides, which gives 32 equals 4x, and then divide by 4. X equals 8. Or x equals 8. You can flip those around. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. Still the same answer at the end. Method B. Let's take that 2x and move it to the other side. So it becomes minus 2x. Let's also take the minus 12 and move it to this side. So it becomes plus 12. When I do that, I get 32 straight away on the left-hand side and 4x on the right-hand side. I can then move the 4 over to the other side, make it divide by 4. Therefore, we get x on this side and 8 on that side, or you can swap them around again, x equals 8. Last example, method A. To get rid of the divide by 4, we can times by 4 on both sides because we always do the opposite or reverse operation to get rid of something. That will give us d plus 3 on this side and 20 on that side. And then we can subtract 3 from both sides. D equals 17. Method B, divide by 4, move that up to the other side, becomes times by 4. B plus 3 equals 20. Move the 3 to the other side, minus 3. B equals 17. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks, and see you next time.